Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn what is time complexity, what is big notation, what is space complexity, and we are going to solve some n patterns problem in JavaScript. What is time complexity? Time complexity is not a function, it is a notation. Time complexity is a way to measure the performance of an algorithm. Rate time complexity is not considered by system time. So, for example, if I am running this code, it will take 1 second, and in another, if anyone else is running this code in another system, then it will take 2 3 seconds. So, time complexity is not considered by system time; it will consider by input size. What is big notation? Big notation is it's a part of the time complexity. In Vigo notation, we always write a code in a worst case. There are three types of case: average case, worst case, and best case. In worst, Vigo notation follow worst case. Theta follow consider average case, and omega consider best case. Most of the problem we are going to use for means Vigo notation. Vigo notation has three major things. First one is we avoid constant value. Second, we avoid lower value. And third one is we always write a code in a worst case. Then what is space complexity? Space complexity is the memory space that your program take. To compute space complexity, we will use big O notation. Space complexity is use both auxiliary space and input space. For example, here C equal to A plus B. So C is a auxiliary space, and A plus B is input space. Okay. Auxiliary space is a space that your program take to compute. Input space is a space that your program take to store inputs. That's for this. Now we're going to solve a few n patterns problem. Here I have written a simple program that will print the 5 rows and 5 column by x. 5x column and 5 row column. So let's see this code. Please wait. We will write this code once again. For let I equal to 0, I is less than equal to, here you have to mention that how many row it will show. Next, it will increment by 1 curly bracket. Inside that we will write for let j equal to 0 j is less than 5 and j plus plus. Okay. Next, 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 next we will write document dot write hello. No, XO star. Now I will print star here, star. Then we'll copy this and paste after the inner loop. Wait, let's check this. It's working fine. If you want to give a space, then space it. And this is the first problem. Second problem is that if we want to show like this, wait a minute. First star, in second row there will be two star, in third row basically it will increment the star as per the row, as the row increases. To do this, second problem statement. And first, next is now it will run from 0, 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Then it will, after that, it will go to the outer loop. Then it will start from 1 here. Once again, it will start from 0 to 5. After that, it will increment by 2. So after it will come into inner loop, then it will start again from 0. Like this, it will print the all the values. Next, I will comment this out. Second problem. Function, function, test 2, function test 2 minus, okay. Next, for let I equal to 0, I is less than equal to 5. We are going to create 4 rows now. So if we want to create 5 rows, then we have to give it less than equal to. Then I is I plus this. We will create in a loop for let j equal to 0. Okay, j equal to 0. And here we will write j less than equal to I. Why we are writing the here I? Because it will carry forward this value. So it will run 1 here, then run from 0, comma 1. After the value will be outer loop value will be 2. So it will start from 0, 1, comma 2. Then 3, 0 to 3. So as the I value increases here, it will increase the j value as well. Next, there's something wrong which I have written here. G plus. Okay. Next document dot write star. We will give the break after the outer loop, inner loop. Sorry. Console.log. Console.log. Test. And that's it. Yes. Unexpected identified problem. Okay. Yeah, we have given the function name is incorrect. And we have to comment this out. I have to do more specific than this. You can see the star will show as in the increment order. Next, if we want to show instead of star, we want to show the number in the increment order as per the row. So here we will write instead of star, we will write G. Let's try this. Yes. And if you don't want to start from 0, then here we can write 1 and 1. Start from 1. That's it. We will try that. 1. Let's make this 1, comma 1, 2, comma 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, 4. That, that's it. Now we are going to learn the break, continue, and nested loop. So what is break? For loop, and you will write let. Okay, I will create one function here. Split it different data function. Test 3 for let I equal to 1. I is less than, no less than, is just keep it as 5. I equal to 5. Then I plus. Here we will write if the value I equal to 3, then break the loop. Break. You can see the definition as well. Print console dot now test 3. Console dot now internet. We will write document. Let's write I. Okay. Always remember when you are creating a value, it should start from let variables. Let equal to 3. Something is wrong here. Let I equal to 3. So let me check this. Share it to instructions. Getting the value undefined. Console function test 3. I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus if I is equal to 3. Break. Check. Select from 0. Instead of document dot write undefined. Yeah, the value is printing here. Sorry. I'm checking there. The value is printing here. We'll give a break. Let's try it once again. So document dot write. Yes. So as you can see here, after 2, it's not showing the another value because we have written a break here. So it will break the loop. The whole loop it will break after 2. If we will write a continue here instead of break, if for continue I will write another statement. See, and then this. If I will write continue here, continue. So continue is used to skip the particular loop or the current loop. We can say particular loop or current loop. Next, next, first check the output. You can see that 3 is not showing here, but till 4, skipping the 3, it is showing the another value. Next is nested loop. Nested loop. For loop, let I equal to 0 and let I equal to 0 for let j equal to 0, j is less than 5, and j plus plus. So document dot write j value. Let's check this out. If you are giving in a string, then it will print the j, not printing the value. Let's check it out. We have a break here, so we'll get to break. You can see it is printing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the loop is printing till less than 4. So it will start from 0, where it will print. It will loop through each number. That's 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. So till 4 it will loop. Next here it will break that loop. Then it will another once again it will come increment by 1 here. Then it will start from 1 and once again it will iterate through each number. Then same, break the loop and the value will become 2 now. So once again it will iterate from 0 to 4. Like this nested loop will work. Hope you will get it. That's it. Bye bye.